So now we are going to start with the first exercise, exercise 1.1 of the NCERT. So the first question is, which of the following are sets? We need to justify our answer giving a proper reason for whatever answer we choose. Okay, the first is collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. So how many months in a year begin with letter J? January, June, July. So these are well defined elements. So that is why it is a set. Next, collection of 10 most talented writers in India. Now, again, this is a vague statement because the determination of talent, the criteria for determining the talent of a person varies from individual to individual. That is why it is not a set as it is not well defined. So, it is not a set. Next, a team of 11 best cricket men of the world. Again, the criteria for determining the best cricket men or the best cricket players will vary from person to person. So, therefore, again, it is not a set. Fourth part, collection of all the boys in a class. This will definitely be a set. Why? Because these collection of boys will be well defined. They are from a particular group of students. So, obviously, they are going to be well defined. So, it is a set. Next, collection of all the natural numbers less than 100. All the elements will be well defined. They are well listed. So, this will be a set. Collection of all the novels written by Munshi Premchand. Now, Munshi Premchand is one particular author. So, his novels will be well defined. They will have a particular definition or they are from a particular collection of novels. So, that is why it will be a set. Next, collection of all even integers. Again, they are very well defined. They are multiples of 2. So, it is a set. So, we complete with the question number 1. Next is, let A be the set with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Now, we need to insert the symbols. This symbol stands for belongs to. This symbol stands for does not belong to. So very easy question. We need to see whether 5 belongs to A or does not belongs to A. It is written in the set. It is one of the element of the set. So therefore we'll use the symbol belongs to. 5 belongs to set A. Now 8 is not there in the list of elements. 8 does not belongs to set A. Again 0 is not listed there. 0 does not belong to set A. 4 is listed as one of the elements. 4 belongs to set A. Similarly, 2 belongs to set A, but 10 is not the element of the set. It is not present there. Therefore, it is not belonging to set A. Fine. So, we have completed question 1 and 2. Okay, now we have question number 3, which says write the following sets in the roster form. That means we need to enlist the elements within the curly brackets separated by the commas. Okay. First part, x is such that x is an integer and it lies between -3 and 7. X is greater than -3 but x is less than 7. So now equal to sign is not used, so that means we cannot use -3 and this plus 7. -3 plus 7 will not be the element of the set. So the elements of the set will be A is equal to, it says x lies between -3 and 7. That means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the roster form of this particular part. Okay, B part. X is such that x is a natural number less than 6. Very easy. We are going to enlist all the natural numbers which are less than 6. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we cannot include 6. So we have to stop at 6. It is less than 6. That is why. Okay. C part. X is such that x is a two-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. That means, for example, if you're including any two-digit number, for example, 26, that means this when we add both the digits 2 plus 6, we need to get 8. Okay, so if I write the answer of the third part over here, so how many numbers are there? How many natural numbers are there in which the two digits add up to 8? First can be 1 and 7, 17. Then this 26. Then now 71 can also be there. If 17 is there, then 71 is also there. 7 plus 1, 8, 62. Then we have 35, 3 plus 5, and 5 plus 3, 53. We can have 53 also. Then we can have 80, 80. So these are the elements which have two digit numbers, and these two digit numbers add up to 8. Okay, next part. Question part 4. It says set of all the prime numbers which are divisor of 60. Divisor of 60, we have to enlist the prime numbers which are divisor of 60. So we can do the prime factorization for 60 first. Now this will give us 30, 2 3s are 6 and 0. Again we can divide it by 2, we get 15. Again we can divide it by 3, we get 5. Then 5 ones are 5. So what are the divisors of 60? Prime divisors. Prime divisors of 60 are 2, comma 2, comma 3, comma 5. But we know we cannot repeat this 2. So the set D will become 2, comma 3, comma 5. Okay. Part 5. E. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Okay. Now just pay attention that the letter T, R and O are repeating. These letters are repeating, but we will not repeat them. We'll enlist them only once. So the set E will become T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E and Y. Okay, this will be the set E. We have not repeated the letters. We will enlist them only once. Okay, now I'm doing the fifth part over here. Fifth part. The set of all the letters of the word better. Now you can see this T and T are repeating. This E and E is repeating, but we will enlist them only once. So set F will become B, E, T and R. These will be the distinct elements of the set E. So now we have question number 4, which says write the following sets in the set builder form. So part 1 that is given to us is, I am assuming these sets as A. A is equal to 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now what is the common property of the numbers enlisted in the set 3, 6, 9 and 12? They all are multiples of 3. So this set can be written as A is equal to, elements will be of the form X such that X is equal to 3n, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Also the elements in the set are definite, so we can give a range to this n also. What will be the range? N lies between 1 to 4. You can check your answer. If you substitute n is equal to 2, you get 6. If you substitute n is equal to 4, you get 12. If you substitute n is equal to 3, you get 9. So this is the set builder form of the given set A. Okay, B part. Second part. A is equal to, now it is given as 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now what is the common property of the numbers enlisted here? These all numbers are the powers of 2, right? So this set can be written as, elements will be X such that X is equal to 2 raised to the power n. Again, n belongs to the natural numbers. Why? Because they are starting from 1. 2 to the power 1, you will get 2. That is why n is beginning from 1. Therefore, n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Now, what is the range of n? It will be from 1 to 5. How 1 to 5? Because 2 raised to the power 1 will give you 2, and 2 raised to the power 5 you will get 32. That is why we have the range for n as 1 to 5. So this is the set builder form of part 2. Now coming to part 3, we have a as 5, 125, sorry, part a second element is 25, 5, 25, 125 and 625. These are the elements of the set which are given to us. Now what is the common property of these elements? That they all are the powers of 5. So again this can be written as x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n. Again n belongs to the natural numbers because 5 raised to the power 1 will give you 5. So n is beginning from 1. Also the range will be n lies between 1 to 4. How 1 to 4? Because 5 to the power 1 will give you 5. 5 to the power 2 will give you 25. 5 to the power 3 will give you 125. 5 to the power 4 will give you 625. So this is the set builder form for part 3. Now part 4 says A is equal to 2, 4, 6 and so on. Now this is the set of natural even numbers. Why am I saying natural? Because they are beginning from 2. If it would have begun from 0, then it would have belonged to the set of whole numbers. But it is beginning from 2. That is why it is belonging from the set of natural numbers. Okay. Now what is the common criteria for writing even numbers? It can be written as x such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Now we do not have the range because the upper limit of the set is not determined. So that is why we cannot write the range of n. So this will be the set builder form x such that x is equal to 2n. Now when you substitute the values for n, you will get these numbers: 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6 and so on. Okay. Now we have question 5, part 5. Says a is equal to 1 4 9 dash 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 to 100. Now what is the common property of the numbers enlisted in the set? They all are square numbers. They all are square numbers, square of natural numbers I should say. So the elements will be of the form x such that x is equal to n square, where n belongs to the set of natural numbers. Also we have the range for n. It is beginning from 1 and it is ending at 100. Now 100 is the square for 10. So the range of n will be 1 to 10. So 1 square will give you 1. If you put n as 2, you will get 4. If you put n as 3, you will get 9. Similarly, if you put n as 10, you will get 100. Okay. So in this way, we have written the set builder form of the various questions that we are given in the book. Now, so we have question number 5. We have to list all the elements of the following sets. That means it is given in the set builder form. We need to write them in the roster form. Okay, part 1. It says x is an odd natural number. So how can we write this? X is an odd natural number. That means now odd natural numbers are starting from 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Now we cannot put a particular limit to the elements because it is not mentioned in the set builder form of the set. So that is why the roster form will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Now part B, part 2. Part 2 I am doing it here. Part 2 says B is equal to x such that x is an integer, that means x belong to z. Also, the range of x is given to us minus 1 upon 2 to this 9 upon 2. Now minus 1 upon 2 can be written as minus 0.5. 9 upon 2 can be written as 4.5. Now now we have to include only integers. So the roster form of this set will begin from which integer? It will begin from 0 because it is minus 0.5. We are not supposed to include minus 0.5 because x is greater than 0 minus 0.5. So the first integer that will be included will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will not move ahead of 4 because x is less than 4.5. That is why 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the desired roster form of part B. Okay, part C we have x is such that x is an integer and x square is less than equal to 4. X is an integer and x square is less than equal to 4. That means we have to enlist all the integers whose square is less than equal to 4. Okay, so part 3. X such that x belongs to z and x square is less than equal to 4. Now we have to enlist the integers whose square is less than or equal to 4. Now what integers can be there? If we have minus 2, now minus 2, if we write the square of minus 2, what do we get? We get plus 4. So the condition is being satisfied. Therefore minus 2 will be included in the set. So minus 1 will also be included because minus 1 square is equal to 1, which is less than 4. 0, 1 and 2. Now we cannot include 3 because 3 square is 9, which cannot be included in the set as it has to be less than or equal to 4. That is why we can only include the integers as minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So this is the roster form of the given set builder form of the part 3. Okay, D part, fourth part. It says D is equal to such x is such that x is a letter in the word loyal. So we have to enlist all the letters in the word loyal. So it will become L O Y A. Now we are not going to repeat L because already we have enlisted L1, so we are not going to repeat it. This is the roster form of part D, the set D. Now it is E part, set E. X is such that X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So we will enlist all the months of the year which do not have 31 days. So Feb, then we have April, then we have September, November, and which is left, June is left. So June. Okay. Now part 6, set F. X is such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. That means we have to enlist all the consonants which lie before K. So what will be the roster form of this set? Consonant means non-vowel letters. So B, C, D, F, G, H and J. Okay, these are the consonant letters that lie before K. Understood? So now we have completed our question number 5. In the next video, we'll be moving ahead with the types of set and how do we incorporate them, solving various questions.